Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Asheniagarwal, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys some Christmas spreads. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys some Christmas spreads, and this video is coming out a little bit early because one of the spreads that I'm going to be showing you is a Christmas countdown. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically counting down till Christmas, and it starts on December 1st. So if you want to start on December 1st, you have to have the spread made ahead of time, which is why I'm making this video earlier. So if you don't know, I love journaling, and this journal that I'm going to be using today is like a practice or like random spreads like Christmas spreads that I don't want to put in my actual 2020 bullet journal. And this is my 2020 bullet journal, and it has my monthly planner, all of that. If you don't know what a bullet journal is, or you want to know how to start one, wait, because those videos are going to be coming up. And if you're ready to make some Christmas spreads, let's just get right into it.
So today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 Christmas spreads. So the first one I'm doing is just a simple Christmas countdown. So as you can see on the screen, I just wrote Christmas countdown normally in all uppercase letters, and then now I'm going to be making a tree shape. For this step, I recommend using a ruler only because it'll make the next steps a whole lot easier. I'm just finishing off the tree and adding the bottom part of it. For the 25th day, which is Christmas, I decided to use a star because that shows you that you've reached the top of your tree. Now all I'm doing is making little compartments that will show each day. So when each day comes, you'll color in that day, which we're going to number in a second, and then that will indicate each day being gone. And when Christmas is here, your tree should be completely filled. I just finished off the tree by putting 25 at the top. The spread looked a little plain, so I'm using my Uhuhu markers to add color to the title. All I'm doing is adding color to the downstrokes. So, for example, on the O, as you can see, it is on the left-hand side, and that is because when I write my O, I go down on the left side and up on the right. I'm doing the same thing for the green. For the bottom, I just decided to write joy to the world because I thought it fit the spread. Like I did to the title, I'm just adding gold to the downstrokes. And when you finish that, you will have completed this spread. On to the second spread. So the second spread is a Christmas present planner, you could say, which is what I titled it. And in this spread, you will be able to track what you want to get anyone for Christmas. I used a cursive type of font for the Christmas and then just a normal font for present planner. So at the middle or the bottom of the spread, I am drawing little presents, and you can draw how many you want based on what you need or how many you want to track. I'm just doing a square or a rectangular shape for the box, and then for the lid, I'm coming out of the box a little bit more. Just like for the last spread, I recommend using a ruler because at the end it just looks a whole lot cleaner. I'm just making multiple presents around the page. When I was done with the boxes, I wanted to add a little bit of a twist. So I am putting these ribbons on the tops of the presents to make them look more like presents. Once I finished that, I wanted it to look more like a ribbon instead of just a flat object. So I decided to put little circles between each of the ribbons. This is where you can put the names of the people you're giving the presents to, and then below that you can add what present you're giving them. And then just to add a little bit of color, I'm adding a drop shadow to Christmas. And then to present planner, I'm just highlighting it with a mild liner. The last spread I'm going to be showing you guys is a Christmas movies list. So for this spread, I'm going to be just putting Christmas movies on this spread so I know which ones I want to watch this year. Because who doesn't like Christmas movies? For the title, I wrote Christmas in this weird sort of font where I just wrote Christmas and then wrote Christmas again on top of it. And then I was going to write movies next. So for movies, I made little ornaments that are going to be hanging in just a second. And I put the hanging wire on them also. I made a different ornament for each of the letters, so I made 6 ornaments. Instead of coloring the ornaments individually, I decided to add just a little bit of color on the outside where I drew the individual ornaments. And I did it alternating with red and green for Christmas colors. Now I'm just making a T-chart and I'm making the left side a little bit bigger than the right side. So how this is going to work is I'm going to be rating the movie out of 5 on the right hand side. And instead of stars, I'm using ornaments. On the left hand side, I only hided 1 space for now, and I only drew 5 ornaments for now. But you can just add them once you watch the movies or find movies you want to watch, and you would just skip a line every single time. But at the top by the title, I'm just drawing gold sparkles and gold just shining objects with my pen. So how this would work is you would put the movie on the left-hand side and rate it on the right-hand side. So usually you would give like 2 out of 5 or 3 out of 5. This time you're just coloring in ornaments instead of stars. Then you would just make another line when you needed to make one. And that is it for this spread. So I'm going to be showing you guys a little flip through of all the spreads. The first one was a Christmas countdown. The second one was a present planner. And the last one was Christmas movies.
If you guys like this video, please check out my video from last week, which is a get to know me. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Bye guys!